Xiaomi launched the Redmi 5 Plus and Redmi 5 smartphones late last year, and the latter is the successor to the Redmi 4. The new nomenclature might have some confused, but apparently the 5 Plus is the successor to the Redmi Note 4 if rumors are to be believed. Regardless of how Xiaomi is marketing or positioning this handset, it definitely seems like an interesting offering and one that could very well be a bestseller, just like the Note 4. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and here's what we think of it so far. The box is pretty much in regular Redmi fashion, with the red box that shows off the model number and a few feature highlights. We have a China box since the smartphone isn't available in India currently, but apart from the writing, the box and its content should be the same. Inside the box you'll find the phone sitting behind a clear TPU case, and we have the light blue variant with us. You also get a micro USB cable, SIM ejector pin and a wall charger that's rated 5V at 2A. The Redmi 5 Plus feels more compact and easier to handle than the Note 4. The new 5.99-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display means that it's narrower than the Note 4 but taller at the same time. However, the narrow bezels and omission of capacitive keys has also maximized space, and hence it doesn't really feel too large considering the display is actually half an inch bigger than the Note 4's. Like the Redmi 5, Xiaomi has opted to go for a slimmer frame on the 5 Plus. Luckily in our case, this hasn't affected the battery capacity on the 5 Plus, and we still get a 4K mAh battery on board. The battery can be charged via the micro USB port. We would have liked the Type-C port on here, but as many people have mentioned in the past, consumers in this price segment still remain comfortable with micro USBs. The phone definitely looks good, and we even quite like the light blue variant that our unit has. The display has a resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels. The extra pixels on one side is due to aspect ratio, and there is an unspecified version of Corning Gorilla Glass for protection as well. Xiaomi has included a matte screen guard on the Redmi 5 Plus, which wasn't there with the 5. The display does seem to be better than the previous generations, especially in terms of brightness and sunlight legibility, but we will get into detail during our review. It's powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 625 chipset, which is one of the reasons many people fail to believe that this is indeed a successor to a Note 4, since it too shared the same SoC. However, may we remind you that the Redmi 5A that succeeded the 4A also does the same. You can choose between 4+64 or 3+32GB models on the Redmi 5 Plus, and both allow memory expansion via the hybrid SIM slot. The phone runs on Android Nougat 7.1.2 out of the box with MIUI 9 on top of it. Just like the Redmi 5, the 5 Plus also has a 12MP f2.2 rear camera with 1.25 micron pixel size and a 5MP camera up front. Xiaomi isn't really known for their camera setups, but the Mi A1 and 5X might be exceptions. However, I'm not sure if this will be one too. Here are a few samples that'll give you an understanding of what to expect while we prepare a camera review for you. Regardless of whether Redmi 5 Plus succeeds the Note 4 or not, it does seem like a really interesting handset and one that we can't wait to test in detail. We will bring you more content around the Redmi 5 Plus very soon, so please do stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, see you again in the next one.